Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. I'm going to start with Wipro on the hourly chart. This is a channel pattern. I have drawn a resistance level. I'm going to complete the channel pattern by drawing a support level. As you can see, the price is moving up and down within the channel pattern. Now, the most important thing here is the breakout candle. Look at the range of the breakout candle and the volume activity. Though the volume activity is not up there with the range of the candle, but the subsequent price action and the volume activity is definitely showing a lot of optimism. The volume activity is growing with every single bearish candle. This is a vindication of stranglehold of sellers in Wipro. So in tomorrow's session, we need sellers to break the daily low of 388 rupees, and if that does materialize on the back of long range bullish candle, not bullish candle, bearish candle on 5-minute chart, also look at the corresponding volume activity. If both of these things are giving us conviction, then the price can go and take support somewhere around 370 rupees. We will be buying put option of 370 rupees. It has to be of December monthly expiry only. Buy it only when the stock price goes below 387.50 rupees. As I said, I am looking at bears continue selling and finding the support around 370 rupees or so. I am going to finish it off with Canara Bank. I think it is better to analyze on monthly chart. So the level of 310 rupees was previously a support level. This is where price was finding it difficult to move downwards, and after a lot of attempts it finally succeeded and the price found support at 70 rupees. And the most important thing that we have to look at when there is a rally towards a resistance level or a support level. This is a base, and look at the range of bullish candles. Number one. Number two, how many bullish candles can we spot versus the bearish candle, right from the support level till the breakout level. Number three, and probably the most important thing, is conviction. The conviction will only come if buyers are outnumbering sellers. Here, they definitely are. And the fourth and final thing is, are we seeing the range of bullish candle getting smaller and smaller as price is approaching the breakout level? The answer is no. The intensity and the vigor of buyers is still intact, and it can be seen from this longish bullish candles. So in tomorrow's session, what we need is, we want stock price to close above 315 rupees. And Two things that we have to watch out. Number one, range of bullish candle and corresponding volume activity. If we do see these two things on the daily chart, and then in Wednesday session, it will be a total chaos. Buyers will run after this stock and they will try to take the stock as high as they can. I'm looking at the level of 400 rupees and it can easily be accomplished at the end of 2022. Based on the analysis, we will be buying Canara Bank only when the stock price breaks above 314 rupees. Please buy December monthly expiry option. I have given call option of 325 rupees, but if you see lower premium on any of the option above 315 rupees, then you can also buy that. Ultimate target is bit conservative. It the target is basically open. It depends on the intensity and the buying activity. If the stock goes parabolic, then we will trail our stop loss. If we see weak buying above breakout level, maybe around 320 or 25, then we'll book the profits. So we are covered from both the end. Just have a bit of presence of mind and lock your profit rather than waiting for more profit and then in the end losing out on that profit, and on top of that resulting in losses, your trade going higher and then hitting your stop loss. That should not happen.